Explore the thrilling and relaxing tours available at Niagara Falls this September 2024.
There's something for everyone. Let's dive in. First, experience the iconic Voyage to the Falls boat tour, where you'll feel the mist up close. For evenings, enjoy the Falls Fireworks Cruise, with dazzling lights over the falls. For an adrenaline rush, try the Whirlpool Jet Dry Tour, to stay dry, or the Wet Jet Tour, for an exhilarating ride through the Niagara River rapids.
Experience the Journey Behind the Falls tours. Walk through tunnels behind the waterfalls and feel the power of the cascading water up close, a truly unforgettable adventure. Combine this with a visit to the Skylon Tower for panoramic views, or add a historical twist with a tour that includes the power station. For a bird's-eye view, take the Niagara Falls, Canada helicopter tour. It's a breathtaking way to see the falls from a whole new perspective. For a complete experience, our day and evening tours from Toronto, Brampton, and Mississauga cover all the Niagara Falls highlights, ensuring you don't miss a thing. Travel in style with our exclusive Niagara Falls Luxury Private Tour. Enjoy a personalized experience with convenient pickups from locations like Oakville and Hamilton. Niagara Falls in September offers tours for every adventure. Join us at ToNiagara for unforgettable moments. Like, share, and subscribe for more travel adventures. Happy travels!